Woodworking has long been a beloved craft, but it can also be a lucrative business opportunity. As artisans and hobbyists delve into the world of woodworking, many discover the potential for generating extra income by transforming scrap wood into sellable products. This practice not only helps declutter workshops, but also fosters creativity and sustainability. In today's market, where consumers increasingly seek unique, handcrafted items, the demand for quality wooden products remains strong. The journey begins with understanding the materials at hand. Scrap wood, often considered waste, can be repurposed in countless ways. Each piece tells a story and holds potential, waiting to be transformed into something valuable. Crafting with scrap wood encourages innovation. Woodworkers can experiment with different techniques, styles, and finishes, allowing for a diverse range of products. This freedom of creativity can lead to unique designs that stand out in a crowded marketplace. By focusing on quick and easy projects, artisans can maximize their output while minimizing time spent on each piece. The ability to produce items efficiently is essential for success in the woodworking business. Marketing these creations is another vital aspect of the venture. Establishing an online presence through social media platforms and e-commerce sites can significantly enhance visibility. Sharing the story behind each piece can captivate potential buyers, creating a personal connection that encourages purchases. Visual appeal is also crucial. High-quality images showcasing the craftsmanship can attract attention and drive sales. Networking with local artisans and participating in craft fairs can further expand business opportunities. Engaging with the community allows woodworkers to showcase their products, receive feedback, and connect with other creatives. Collaborations can also arise from these interactions, opening doors to new markets and ideas. Building relationships within the woodworking community can provide invaluable support and inspiration. Pricing products appropriately is essential for profitability. Understanding the costs involved, including materials, time, and overhead, will help determine fair prices that reflect the quality of the work. Conducting market research to gauge what similar items sell for can provide insight into competitive pricing strategies. Balancing affordability with profitability will ensure long-term sustainability in the business. As the venture grows, woodworkers may consider expanding their offerings. Introducing seasonal items or limited edition pieces can create excitement and urgency among customers. This strategy not only keeps the product line fresh, but also encourages repeat business. Diversifying the range of products can attract different customer segments, increasing overall sales potential. Sustainability is increasingly important to consumers. By emphasizing eco-friendly practices, such as sourcing reclaimed wood or using non-toxic finishes, woodworkers can appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Highlighting these practices in marketing materials can enhance brand reputation and attract a loyal customer base. Customer feedback is a valuable tool for growth. Engaging with buyers to understand their preferences and suggestions can inform future projects. Positive testimonials can also serve as powerful marketing tools, encouraging others to make purchases. Building a community around the brand fosters loyalty and can lead to word-of-mouth referrals. Time management is crucial for balancing woodworking with other responsibilities. Setting aside dedicated time for crafting, marketing, and networking can help streamline the process. Efficiently organizing tasks will enable woodworkers to focus on creating, ensuring that the business remains enjoyable and fulfilling. As the business develops, investing in tools and equipment may become necessary. Upgrading to higher quality tools can enhance craftsmanship and efficiency, ultimately resulting in better products. While initial costs may be a concern, the long-term benefits of improved output and quality can outweigh these investments. Education and skill development play a significant role in woodworking success. Attending workshops, taking online courses, or joining local woodworking groups can provide valuable knowledge and techniques. Staying updated on industry trends can also inspire new ideas and approaches to crafting. Woodworking for profit is an exciting venture that allows artisans to turn their passion into a sustainable business. With a growing demand for handcrafted items, utilizing scrap can be both a creative outlet and a lucrative opportunity. The first step is to understand the potential of the materials available. Every piece of scrap can inspire new ideas, encouraging woodworkers to explore various techniques and styles. This exploration not only enhances creativity, but also leads to the production of unique items that stand out in a competitive market. To maximize efficiency, focusing on quick and easy projects can help artisans produce a variety of products without becoming overwhelmed. Effective marketing is crucial. Showcasing creations through social media and local craft fairs can attract a diverse audience. Sharing the story behind each piece fosters a personal connection with potential buyers, making them more likely to purchase. Additionally, networking with other artisans can lead to collaborative projects and shared resources, further expanding business opportunities. Pricing items competitively while reflecting their quality is essential to ensure profitability. Conducting market research can help artisans set fair prices that appeal to consumers while still covering costs. Sustainability is also a key factor, as eco-conscious consumers are increasingly drawn to products made from reclaimed materials. Highlighting these practices in marketing efforts can enhance brand appeal and foster loyalty. Customer engagement is vital. Seeking feedback and encouraging reviews can provide insights for improvement and help build a loyal customer base. Balancing time between crafting, marketing, and other responsibilities requires effective organization, ensuring that the woodworking journey remains enjoyable. Investing in quality tools and continuous education can also elevate craftsmanship, leading to better products and a more successful business. Ultimately, Woodworking with scrap wood offers a fulfilling path to profitability, blending creativity with entrepreneurial spirit. By embracing innovation, sustainability, and community engagement, artisans can thrive in this rewarding endeavor, transforming their skills into a viable source of income.